Hi everyone, and welcome to today's episode, Adapt or Perish, the Agile Path for Tech Startups. I'm Jin, and today we'll dive deep into why agility is a must-have skill for startups in the tech world. Let's get started. Imagine you are the captain of a ship navigating stormy seas. Suddenly, the wind changes direction and waves come crashing down. Do you stick to your original route, or do you adjust course to survive? This metaphor perfectly captures the reality faced by tech startups every single day. The winds are technological advancement, and the waves are shifting market demands. Only the agile survives. So, what exactly does agility mean in the context of technology startups? Let me break it down for you. For a tech startup, agility means moving quickly. Yes, but it also means moving smartly. It's about adapting to the fast changing demands of the market, technology, and customers. Take Spotify, for instance. They didn't just come out with the idea of streaming music. They structured their teams into squads, small autonomous groups that could innovate and act independently. This squad model helped them scale globally while continuing to improve their user experience. Airbnb provides another fascinating example. They started as a simple home rental platform but quickly realized the potential to expand into offering travel experience. Their leadership embraced agility to make this pivot happen, which turned out to be a game changer for the company. Why is agility so critical? Let's break it down step by step to understand why it's not just a nice to have, but an essential element for success in any modern business. First, technology evolves rapidly. In today's digital age, change isn't just certain, it's exponential. A perfect example is how AI has reshaped entire industry almost overnight. Whether it's machine learning transforming healthcare diagnostic, chatbots revolutionizing customer service, or autonomous vehicles changing transportations. Technological innovations are happening faster than ever before. If you aren't staying up to speed, you risk becoming obsolete. The companies that thrive are the ones that embrace new technologies and find ways to integrate them into their operations quickly. Agility allows you to pivot your processes, adopt new tools, and continuously optimize to remain competitive in an increasingly tech-driven world. Second, markets are unpredictable. The global pandemic showed us just how quickly things can change. Businesses had to adapt their models almost overnight. Stores that only sold in person rushed to set up online shops. Offices had to move to remote work. Industries that relied on face-to-face interaction to find digital solutions to keep serving customers. The pandemic proved that even the best laid plans can be turned upside down in an instant. The businesses that were quick to adjust came out stronger. Agility doesn't just mean reacting to a crisis. It's about planning ahead so you are ready for whatever comes next. Finally, is fierce. Startups need to stay ahead to remain relevant. The competition doesn't just come from other startups. is from big companies and new disruptors. In tech, innovation is key. If you are not innovating, you are falling behind. Take Tesla, for example. While traditional car makers focus on building cars, Tesla innovated by offering software updates over the air. This agility allowed Tesla to improve cars without customers needing to visit a service center. It's great is a great example of how agility can help a company beat traditional businesses model and deliver value in new ways. Now, how can tech startups become agile? First, you need a culture that values learning and adaptability. At Google, employees get 20% of their time to work on personal projects. This fosters innovation and builds resilience. Second, use data to drive your decisions. Tools like analytics platforms can reveal customer needs and market trends. Third, adopt agile project management methods. Scrum and Kanban are great examples. They help teams stay focused and deliver results incrementally. And finally, build a resilient team. Collaboration and emotional intelligence could be top priorities when hiring. A strong team can weather any storm. To wrap up, let's be clear. Agility isn't just a trendy buzzword thrown around in startup cycles. It's a fundamental survival strategy in today's fast-moving, unpredictable world. Whether you are launching a tech venture, scaling up an existing business, or pivoting to meet the demands of a shifting market, agility is what separates those who thrive from those who falter. Think about it. Success in the startup world isn't about being the biggest player or having the deepest pockets. It's about being nimble, responsive, and willing to embrace change, even when it feels uncomfortable or uncertain. Innovation thrives on adaptability. The most successful entrepreneurs and businesses aren't the ones that regardless stick on a plan. They are the ones that learn, evolve, and improve as they go. So, if you are on the brink of starting your next big thing, ask yourself, am I ready to adapt to whatever the world throws at me? Are you ready to test your ideas, listen to feedback, and pivot when necessary? It's not just about surviving, it's about positioning yourself to seize new opportunities when they arise. Remember, in the world of startups, it's not the strongest that survive, it's the most adaptable to change. That's the mindset you need to cultivate. One of curiosity, resilience, and relentless adaptability. The landscape of technology and innovation will continue to evolve, and so should you. Thanks for tuning in and being part of this conversation about building successful ventures. If you found value in this, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you will never miss an update. Until next time, remember to keep learning, keep evolving, and above all, stay agile because in this ever-changing world, agility isn't just a skill, it's your superpower.